In this tutorial, we are going to learn about a common error in Python programming known as the key error. This error usually occurs when we try to access a key that does not exist in a dictionary. Here, we have created a dictionary with keys apple, banana and cherry, and we are trying to access the key orange, which does not exist in the dictionary. So, this will cause a key error. As you can see, when we try to print the value associated with the key orange, it throws a key error since orange is not a key in our dictionary. Now, let's learn how to handle this error using exception handling. In this block of code, we are trying to print the value associated with the key orange. However, since the key does not exist, it will raise a key error. But this time, we have wrapped this code inside a try except block. So, when the key error is raised, it will be caught by the except block and a message will be printed instead of the program crashing. As you can see, instead of the program crashing due to a key error, a message is printed stating that the key does not exist in the dictionary. This is how we can handle key errors in Python. That's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful in understanding how to handle key errors in Python. Remember, practice is key in programming. Keep coding, keep creating. Happy coding, folks!